What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be working on white trash again. Going to try and get this little truck bed done. Might end up being kind of a short one, I don't know, we'll see what happens, but pretty much all I need to do is make our spare tire carriers and then clean up the edges a little bit, get it all painted, and going to do just some spray foam stuff inside there to fill that gap, clean that up, and then we also need to get this ratchet strap off the window and see how that's going to go, because it actually did start cracking right there, and then a little bit on this side too. So this was like a 1/4 inch thick or so, and I guess it was just we're trying to bend it a little bit too much or something, but we'll see what happens when we pop that ratchet strap off. But I think first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try and clean this up a little bit, and then probably put the foam and stuff in. So I guess we'll go and get to it.
Okay. It'll be pretty in a minute, I think.
Yeah, that'll work. The goal here is round it off. You see it's getting a little bit smoother, and then use some of this banding or whatever, and kind of make that cap over this going this way, and that should make it look a little bit cleaner.
Stayed in.
Alright, well apparently at some point the camera fell over and we didn't even notice, so. But we got this all filled in, and
oh man, look at that blowout.
so definitely got a lot of mess to clean up in here, but once this thing dries, it should be sealed up pretty good. Justin's already got the welder out and everything, and he's gonna weld this up and then get the little cap things built and weld it on there. So go ahead and get that knocked out. That is definitely not what I was going for. Alright, well we'll figure out some way to fix this, make it look a little bit better. But in the meantime, we'll just keep working on this and get these all fixed up, and see if we can't get all this stuff knocked out and get that looking a little better. Grind that down, that'll look pretty good. Still come in here and we need to put some more foam and shape that up. All that stuff. Alright, got this all done and painted up. Well, the gas jug part anyways. got all that rounded off. I think that looks a lot better than how it was. But then painted it up, and I didn't paint right here because we're about to weld on that. So we're gonna go ahead and get these spare tire carriers made up here. I actually bought some from Harbor Freight, and then we're just gonna modify them to make them work how we need it to. So Justin's over here, already measured this one out. We're gonna get it chopped up and see what we can come up with. We'll probably just go ahead and notch this or something and make it to where it'll fit on that little piece of pipe left over.
Say again?
Get this thing shaped up and then marked out where we need to put it. So go ahead and get this welded in here, throw the tire up there, see how it looks, and then we'll make this other side here. Now I don't have but this one spare tire right now, so we're not going to be able to put both tires up. I'll probably just put those things on it for now, right there and right there, and whenever I get some new tires for this thing, we'll have both our spares, because this tire right here is actually Casey's. It's the spare for his Gambler he let me borrow at the last event. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get that thing welded up on there. Alright, Justin got these all welded in here. But we are going to go ahead and connect these two together. So, got this piece right here, and it's just going to bridge this gap.
Want to cut it wrong?
It's probably the other piece. So that'll just go in there like that, connect those together, and then this thing will be done. Well, except for shaping up the foam right there and painting it. But all the metal work should be done. So go and get that knocked out, and then and then I'll get the foam shaped up and painted. Then we can throw the gas jugs in there and throw the tire up there, and this thing will be done. Here it is, all done. Threw this little donut up here. Thought it looked kind of funny, the giant size difference. But it'll look a lot better once I get the new set of tires in, and we have both of the full-size spares up there, and then we can get the 28 off the back here that we borrowed from Casey, get it back to him. Got our spot for our gas jugs and our tires, and then back behind there we got oil. Then over here on this side we got water. See it right in there. Spray foam in here, I painted it black, and definitely not perfect, but it's okay. At least the gap's closed up in there. And then on the inside, still got the back seat and everything. But that's gonna pretty much do it for this one. Next week we might be working on this, or we might be working on the van. I'm not too sure yet. But whenever my tires come in and everything, we'll definitely make a video on those and get those mounted up and get the full-size spares up there and all that, and maybe even fix that fender flare there. I don't know. Maybe some other stuff, who knows. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.